Hello students, today we will discuss how to draw the diagram of a human skeleton system. So let's draw the diagram of human skeleton system. So I am drawing the diagram of human skeleton system. So observe very carefully how to draw the different parts. So I am drawing the diagram of human skeleton system. Okay, and this is the skull part. Okay, this is the part which is known as skull is the part in skeleton which support our head. Okay, skull support our head. Now I am drawing the ribs. Ribs are the part of human skeleton system which protects the delicate body organs like heart, lungs, etc. Okay. So here is the now I am drawing the bones which support our upper body, and these are the bones on which you sit. Now I am drawing the bones which support our thighs. These are the bones present in our thighs. Okay. These are the bones present in legs. Okay. Again, I am drawing the bones present in legs. Okay, now I am drawing the bones present in arms. Okay. Again draw the similar pattern. Here are the bones which support our thumb. Again I am drawing this. This is the marker is very thick, so it's difficult to make fingers. Draw fingers bone like this. Okay. Now I am drawing the bones present in our hand. Okay, so in this way you can make the human skeleton system. Okay, so This diagram is actually very rough. I am sure that you all are having far better drawing as compared to me. So draw neat and clean diagram of human skeleton system in your notebook. Okay, so let's discuss the various bones present here. Students, here in the head, the bone structure of bone present is known as skull. So what is skull? Skull is the skull. In skull, various bones are present. In skull, various bones are present, which gives shape to human face. Okay, shape of human face is given by the skull. And what is skull? Skull is the combination of various bones present in our head. What is its function? Skull protects delicate organs, like it protects brain. Okay, skull is a hard part and it protects brain. Okay, now these are known as hip bones, and they are also named as pelvic bones. Okay, what are these bones? Pelvic bones are the bones on which you sit. Okay, the bones on which you sit is hip bone or pelvic bone. So what is pelvic bone? The bones present in hips below the stomach. It is present below the stomach, and on it humans sit. Okay, and on it we sit. So pelvic bones are also known as hip bones. Okay, pelvic bones are also known as hip bones. These are the bones which supports the hips in human body. Okay, and these are the bones on which humans sit. Okay, so rib cage we have already discussed. Okay, the bones present in hand is already discussed in the previous videos. Okay, so two types of structure is present in human skeleton. One is skull and another is pelvic bone. So what is skull? In skull, various bones are present which give shape to human face. And what is its function? It protects brain. Okay, it protects delicate organ like brain. And what are pelvic bones? These are the bones on which you sit. Okay, these are the bones on which you sit. So the bones present in hips below the stomach is known as pelvic bones, and these are the bones on which humans sit. Thank you.